Hey everyone, this is Ben with Honest Hotel Reviews, and today I am at the Residence Inn by Marriott at the Disneyland Resort, giving you an honest review of the pool and fitness center. This video is not sponsored, but if you like what you see, we'd love your support. Give us a like, leave a comment, or subscribe, and let our conscience be your guide. Let's start with the fitness center. It's on the 6th floor, located near the pool and the laundry facility. It's open from 6 a.m. till 10 p.m. The gym area is a good size, well spaced out, well ventilated, temperature controlled, with all the machines and equipment you'll need for a great workout. During our stay, we never saw more than 2 people in the fitness center. With the amount and variety of equipment, it's unlikely you'll have to wait to start your workout. The nicest feature of the fitness center really is the space between all of the equipment. So even if it's busy, you won't be on top of each other. The hotel provides complimentary earbuds, towels, sanitizing wipes, and a filtered water station. We would consider the fitness area better than average for the Disneyland area. Julie and I are pool people. When we first walked onto the pool deck, it was immediately apparent that the photos did not do the area justice. The pool was a good size, has a deep end of 4.6 feet or 1.4 meters, and a shallow end of 3.6 feet or 0.9 meters. The pool was closed for a few hours during our stay. It was a bummer, but we appreciate the hotel takes the time to make sure their facilities are pristine. It had lots of lounge chairs, including several partially shaded cabanas, which you normally would expect to pay for at other hotels. The hot tub was very large and had 2 separate sides, which is great for multiple groups to enjoy and still have their own space. One downside to the pool area was that the hot tub did not have an accessible lift. The area was so large, we didn't even notice the 2 large fire tables at the back of the patio. The splash zone was a very fun area for kids and adults alike. They provide pool towels, an ice machine with filtered water next to the pool entrance, and large, multi-stalled and extremely clean restrooms. There's no lifeguard on duty, so make sure you keep an eye on your kids. And be sure to bring your own safety equipment if your child needs it. The hotel is great, and the pool and fitness center areas really do add to the experience. We recommend the Residence Inn to anybody coming to stay in the Disneyland area, if it fits your budget. For more information on the Residence Inn by Marriott, check out our honest room tour and review, our breakfast buffet video, and our overall honest hotel review video. If you're considering staying in other hotels in the Disneyland area, we post new videos every week. Head over to our YouTube channel or check us out at honesthotelreviews.com for more hotel recommendations and travel tips. I'm Ben, and this was another Honest Hotel Review.